there, Icon Beauties and Bows. So, I was in the market for a new hair dryer. Being that one of my specialties are blowouts, I knew I needed a dryer that's powerful and has the ability to dry hair quickly. With those requirements in mind, I went to Google and searched for professional strength hair dryers. I saw lots of hair dryers to choose from, but this red beauty stuck out to me the most. Manufactured by a company by the name of Wazor, this dryer can be purchased on the increasingly popular marketplace called Temu. What I like about this hair dryer is that it's really powerful. At 1875 watts, this necessary salon tool definitely meets my high powered requirements. The infrared light that emits from this blow dryer is a cool feature as well. The benefit of an infrared hair dryer is that it emits subtle heat penetrating the hair shaft without causing extreme damage or reducing essential moisture. This not only reduces frizz and static, but also helps prevent breakage and split ends. I like that it comes with three attachment tools: a comb nozzle, a concentrator nozzle, and a diffuser nozzle. You won't sacrifice quality for price with this salon requisite. This model has multi-speed and multi-temperature functions. Overall, I'm pleased with my purchase from Temu and will definitely make more purchases from there in the future for my salon needs.